Okay, everybody. Well, we have got, of course, I showed you earlier Frank doing the window and fixing the outside. So we've got new insulation in instead of the blown-in insulation, and he sealed around the window really well. And now he is in the process of putting up new drywall. And I am in the process of pulling down the strawberry wallpaper so he can do a corner bead right along there. We are, however, going to leave it on this side. Accent. So we're going to just leave this one. All right. The sheetrock is just about done, and all that is down. That took a long time. Too long. So anyway, that was our project so far today. We got a lot done. So we're on the plus side now. Okay, Frank is now taping all the new drywall.
Yay!
So we're headed in the right direction and it's looking really good. I, on the other hand, am tearing off the backsplash.
Don't find anything.
Yeah. And the problem with the backsplash is it's kind of stick on. But they put it on before they put the cabinet, so the cabinets are over. And they didn't always use screws, they used nails. So the stuff that's tucked back up in there is going to be very difficult to get out, because on this cabinet and that cabinet they are nailed in instead of screwed in, so we can't just ease them out a little bit. So it's going to take some fancy thinking to figure out how to get those without tearing everything up. So that's where we're at today.
I got a piece out.
Yeah.
Peace out, baby. Peace out.
Yeah. That will make that corner a lot more usable for counter space.
It will make counter space.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Okay, okay. It's getting closer, baby.
Yep.
Okay.
Alrighty then. We still haven't got the rest of the backsplash off, but that's gonna take some doing, I think. Looks good. Really opens it up. Okay, as far as in the kitchen, we bought a tile. Actually, it's just a stick-on tile to go back behind the cabinets. We'll have to come up, we were trying to find some stainless steel stuff to go there behind this. Yeah, me and this backsplash are not liking each other. I keep making mistakes like that. So it's just, and yeah. So I had to step away and go do something else. I was pulling some pipe out of the basement. So since I was destroying things, Frank gave me something to destroy on purpose. Okay, everybody, I finally got all that old black splash down as best as I can. It's only 2 major holes in the wall, but we're covering that up, so I guess no harm, no foul, but that was a bit frustrating. I had to walk away a few times. Hey everybody, thanks so much for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos for you, and if you enjoy watching them, remember, you can always like and subscribe. Until next time.